Here we are at Tutto Italiano. Larz Museum. Nice lineup of Alfas over here. Some really, really nice cars. Montreal, Duetto GTV, later GTV, some newer cars. Junior Z. Later Spiders, later cars. Lanciafulvia 500. It's pretty rare in the US, yeah? Probably.
This looks like the
Giulietta GTV6. Nice lineup. More later. Here's the high price stuff. Ferrari. California. Giulietta Super Sprint Super. Nice. Sprint Speciale, hey. Che fa? Nice. California's the cheapest chips around here. GT. Maserati, yay. Dino. Here we are at the bike lot. Usual lineup of Ducatis and people standing in the way. Aprilias. Moda Tessi 3 Delta, Buddy Bob's Benelli say. Okay, here's the used car department. Get your Ferraris, get your Lambos.
That doesn't, how do you compare like green Ferrari?
Mondial. The right crowd and no crowding. Looks like a Miura. Take a walk over there. You don't see them very often. The Lamborghini that woke Ferrari up from a deep sleep. Kerfuffle moving around some expensive cars here, except for that Fiat, but some nice stuff. Maserati, eh? The real thing, brother. The real thing, brother. Alfa Romeo, no.
I'm sorry.
So this looks like about a late 40s, early 50s idea of what a 21st century car should look like.
Alfa Romeo. Super leggera.
Milan?
Milan. I was born in Milan, but now I live close to Bene.
And once again, we'd like to welcome everyone to the Tutto Italiano 2018, the largest Italian car festival in the Northeast. This year sponsored by Bene Cars, Herb Chambers, Romeo, Boston, $45 per year. Family memberships are $65 for a family of 4. You can't beat that. Lots of benefits come along with that.
Super leggera, super light.
Free admission too.
Nice
All
stuff.
spectator events there at the museum. So once again, we've got lots of great stuff going on. So get ready, have some fun. Tutto Italiano 2018.
Ah, it's 1200, yeah. Obviously inferior. Sister ship to my car.